Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rahat and today after a very long time I'm gonna share with you a haul. Actually, I did not shop anything for this Nykaa Pink Friday sale, if you didn't know. Just because I did not want any more makeup, because I shopped like a month ago for a lot of makeup and I had shared a haul with you as well. So this time what I did is, instead of window shopping, I went personally to Zara and H&M shops, like their official shops in mall, and I went there and did a lot of shopping right here, which is right here with me. So I will just show you. I have got 1, 2, and also there was something which was not available in my size in Zara, so I ordered it online as well. So today I'm gonna share with you all of these things what I have bought online and also from the store. So yeah, if you want to know, please keep on watching. So guys, before you leave, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel, and also press the bell icon so that anytime in future I post a new video, you get a notification. And yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So let's start off with the store shopping first. So first thing I'm gonna show you is from H&M what all I have bought. So here I could see the very first thing is this very nice yellow, mustard yellow colored jumper, and I will give you a try on video, and it has a long sleeve and I just loved the color of it, and that is the reason I picked this. And this is in the size extra small, and yeah, let me tell you, I am extra small in H&M and small in Zara. So yeah, and this costed me around 799 bucks. Not that expensive, right? I just went to the store like randomly and picked this one. Actually, I wanted to buy something for my birthday as well, which is just 4 or 5 days apart, like from now. And I'll be going one more time to the stores to buy a few more products, but I bought them like almost 15 days ago now, and I wanted to share this really soon with you guys, just because of my online packaging. Like this one from Zara, they sent me this thing around after 10 days or something after I placed the order. So yeah, because of this one I am just you know, shooting this one right now. So yeah, this was the first thing which I bought. That's all actually for the clothing from H&M. I have got few jewelry products from H&M. Actually, I was eyeing on these things since long time, and the moment I saw them on sale, I think it wasn't on sale. No, it wasn't on sale, and I just picked them up. And first thing which I have bought is this. These are hoop earrings, and if you don't know, I just love hoop earrings, and I wore one pair of them like in one of my videos, if you remember. And yeah, these are the hoop earrings, and too big and sexy. I mean, I can just wear them anywhere, anytime, and I'm just so satisfied because they are so light in weight and so beautiful, and gold is so much in trend right now, and I just love them. And again, this costed me around 799 bucks. And the second thing which I have bought is this chain right here, which has a very beautiful pendant with it. I don't know what's made on it, but you could see it looks something like this, and this is very beautiful gold chain, and quite long, so it will just come till here if I'm wearing a deep neck like the one I'm wearing right now. By the way, this is again from H&M. I bought this one last year. Yeah, last year on my birthday I bought this one, and I just love this. This has full sleeves, and it is so shimmery and so comfortable, I can't tell you. I wish you could feel it too. And yeah, this is the second stuff which I bought, and this costed me around 399 bucks. Alright ladies, that's all from H&M, and let's start off with Zara now. And if you remember my perfume haul. If you remember that, I had shared Zara perfumes in that. If you don't know, I just love Zara perfumes and I have ample of them with me. If you haven't seen that video yet, go and check that out. I will give the link somewhere here so you can go and check that out. And if you know, I had finished this one, and this is Apple Juice by Zara. I just love this one, you guys. And this just got over a month ago, and I could not buy this. If you know, we could not go out and stuff, so I just got the backup of my Apple Juice now, and I have it right now with me, and I'm so happy because this is a very good daytime perfume, you guys. If you haven't you know, used it yet, you can just get one smaller bottle, which is which will cost you not much, but like 300 or 400 bucks, and I'm sure you will love it. So if you try this after watching this video, do let me know. So as I told you, my previous one is just almost over, so I'm so happy and glad that I bought the backup of it now. So yeah, this was the first thing which I bought from. Next thing, I have bought 2 camis from Zara. Okay, by the way, that perfume costed me around 790 bucks. If you don't know, the 100 ml bottle or 90 ml bottle will cost you 790 bucks at Zara. So as I told you, I have bought 2 camis this time, and this is the first one. This is in the shade like sort of brown and magenta color. I don't know if they have mentioned the color. This is in the color no color mentioned. So as you could see, it is sort of a very nice maroon magenta, or you know, brownish maroon kind of a color. And I just love the fabric of, you know, camis of Zara, and I have got, I mean, many of them with me right now. I'm wearing in black, I've got in white, and I did not have, you know, something like this, so I can wear this like under my suits. Like if I wear some sort of cardigan or something like that, I can just wear it, you know, below that. And yeah, this will look so beautiful. Again, this will cost you around 490 bucks, and that is not at all expensive, you guys. So inexpensive. And yeah, this is the first color I bought. And the second one I have got in this color right here. This is a very nice off-white color. I don't know, the light is not ready to show you the color. So this is how it looks like. And again, this will cost you for 490 bucks, and this was the second one which I bought. So that's it from Zara store. And now let's come back to the window shopping, which is in this box right here. If you don't know, if you buy online, Zara sends you the packet like this when you buy stuffs from them online. And the very first thing in it is, I'm gonna show you, is this beautiful top right here. It has a very big neck in the front, and also it has long sleeves right here. And this is a very beautiful purple color, you guys. I mean, I just fell in love with this the moment I saw it, and can't wait to try it. I will give you the try on videos, you know, somewhere right here, so you could see how does it look on me. And yeah, this is this cost around 990 bucks, but guys, I got it under sale, so I got it for 500 or something. So not at all a bad deal, you guys. And I'm already in love with this top. And also, if you don't know, Zara has collaborated with Jo Malone. Jo Malone is a very famous perfume brand, if you don't know. So they sent me this card right here which says Zara Emotions, a collaboration created by Jo Malone. And the moment you smell it, oh my god, I can die right now because this smell is to die for. And this is in Water Lily Tea Dress by Jo Malone. And I'm sure, and I'm really sure that I'm buying this for my birthday this year. And probably tomorrow or day after I will be going for shopping, and definitely I'll buy this perfume from them. And if you wanna get your hands also on these, do get them I mean, this is like the best perfume I have ever smelled. So yeah, this is the first thing from online. Alright, so the next stuff which I bought from Zara is a pair of footwear which I was eyeing like since 2000 years now. Yeah, I saw many influencers wearing them, and guys, I went to the store straight away, but then they did not have my size. If you know, and if you don't know, my size is quite small actually. I am UK 4. Can you imagine? I'm in UK 4, and my size is too small. And these are the pairs. Can you see that? These has a transparent strap right here, and the moment you wear it, guys, you will, I mean, in a moment, like, you will look classy and sassy and whatnot. I just love these pairs so much. I mean, I went to the Zara, but they did not have my size, as I told you, and this is in the size 37, and they had like 38 in store, so I had to order them online. I wanted to share this haul way before, but just because of these pair of sandals, I could not. So yeah, these are the second stuff which I bought from Zara. I did not have any sandals like this actually, which has transparent heels, also a strap which is transparent, and I love sandals like this which has only one or two straps and not, you know, much going on. And yeah, also I'm gonna share my footwear collection very soon on my channel. So do continue watching my channel, you guys. Do not unsubscribe or do any fishy thing, okay? And also press the bell icon if you haven't already, because if I will post any new video in future, you will get to know. And yeah, that's all for today's haul, you guys. So guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making this one, because I love shopping, and who doesn't, right? So do let me know in comments down below, how did you like this one? Also give a big thumbs up to this video, you guys. Also subscribe to my channel, which I keep telling you, and you guys don't do it. I mean, that is so sad, right? And yeah, also press the bell icon. Do not forget to press the bell icon, you guys. And I will see you in my next one super soon. Till then, take care. Mwah. I love you guys so much. Bye guys.